Science TV.
A is for apple, let's draw it round. Start with a circle, then add a stem and a leaf we found. Color it red so bright and sound. Well, B is for ball rolling on the ground. Draw a big circle, nice and round. Color it bright with stripes all around. Well, C is for cat, so fluffy and neat. Sketch a small face and two ears so sweet. Color it orange with paws so petite. D is for dinosaur, big and tall. Draw a long tail, legs and all. Color it green, standing so tall. But E is for elephant, large and gray. Draw a big oval, a trunk that sways. Color it gray with big ears to play. But F is for fish, swimming with glee. Draw an oval, then fins so free. Color it bright in blue and yellow we see. But G is for giraffe, so tall and bright. Draw a long neck, spots just right. Color it yellow with brown spots in sight. But H is for house, cozy and wide. Draw a square, then a triangle on the side. Color it red with windows so bright. I is for ice cream, really sweet and cold. To draw a long neck, spots are just a hole. Color it pink, brown and gold. The J is for jellyfish, wiggly and free. To draw a dome, then tentacles like the sea. Color it purple, floating with glee. The K is for kite, flying so high. To draw a diamond, then a string to tie. Color it rainbow, up in the sky. Well, pick up your pencil, let's start to draw. Shapes and colors, we'll learn them all. From A to Z, let's have some fun. But grab your brush, the fun's just begun. But L is for lion, brave and strong. Draw a big face, then a mane so long. Color it golden, roaring along. Well, M is for moon, shining so bright. Draw a crescent, curve just right. Color it silver in the quiet night. The N is for nest, warm and round. Draw a circle with twigs all around. Color it brown where eggs are found. O is for octopus, waving hello. To draw a round head, then tentacles below. Color it pink, watch it go. The P is for penguin, waddling near. To draw an oval with wings so clear. Color it black and white with feet so dear. And Q is for queen, royal and grand. Draw an oval face with a crown so grand. Color it gold with a scepter in hand. But R is for rainbow, color so bright. To draw 7 curves, arch just right. Color it red to violet, a beautiful sight. The S is for sun, shining so high. To draw a circle with rays nearby. Color it yellow, bright in the sky. The T is for tree, tall and green. Draw a trunk, then leaves between. Color it green, so fresh and clean. But the U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. Draw a curve with a handle nearby. Color it red and blue in the rainy sky. Well, V is for violin, music so sweet. Draw a shape like an hourglass neat. Color it brown, hear the beat. Color-oo, beat. Color-oo is the whale, swimming so free. Draw a big oval with the tail by the sea. Color it blue in the deep sea. X is for xylophone, playing a tune. To draw long bars one by one in a row. Color it bright, red to maroon. Y is for yacht, sailing the sea. To draw a triangle sail, floating so free. Color it white and red, sailing with glee. But C is for zebra, stripes so neat. Draw an oval leg so fleet. Color it black and white, looking sweet. We drew and colored, oh what a day, learning letters in a creative way. From A to Z, look what we've done. For art and learning, so much fun. Red, red, what do you see? A big red apple on the tree. Red is bright and full of cheer. It makes us smile from ear to ear. Colors, colors all around. So many colors can be found. Let's explore them one by one. Learning colors is so much fun. Blue, blue in the sky so high. Bluebirds singing as they fly by. Blue is calm and so serene. It's like a dream, a peaceful scene. Yellow, yellow, shining bright, like the warm sun's golden light. Yellow's happy like a smile. It makes the world so worthwhile. Colors, colors all around. So many colors can be found. Let's explore them one by one. Learning colors is so much fun. Green, green on the grass and trees. Green leaves dancing in the breeze. Green is fresh like morning dew. Nature's color all brand new. Purple, purple like a magic night, with twinkling stars so pure and bright. Purple's royal, deep and grand. It's the color of a fairyland. Orange, violet, and indigo too. So many colors just for you. Mix them up and what do you see? A rainbow of colors, wild and free. Now we know our colors bright, every shade a pure delight. Sing along and you will see, the colorful world is fun for you and me.